Okay, so we're having these two questions which came in Mathematics Paper 1 2024, and this is GCE. So I want to show you how to go about these two questions because these are simple questions. If you go in every mathematics question paper, paper 1, you are going to find these two questions, though they ask them differently, but the concept is just the same. So I'm going to show you how to handle question 1 and how to go about what? Question 2. I mean question 4 in this case. If you check in the question paper, this is question 4 and this is exactly question 1. So this is the first question. You have been told to evaluate this. You have been told to evaluate 8 over 27, then raised to the power 2 over 3. So what you need to know, what you need to do when you have been given this question is just, this question is very simple. What you need just to do is just to write a square root. If you write a square root, you need always to know that these numbers in the brackets here, you need to put them inside here. I hope you're able to see. And this number, which is down here, which is in this case 3, you need to write it here. And then lastly, this number, which is 2, in this case, you need to write it there. So this is how we rearrange this question. So this means that we are going to find the number which we need to multiply 3 times to give us what? 8. And a number which we are going to multiply 3 times to give us what? 27. So this is what this expression means. We are going to find a number which, if we multiply it 3 times, it is going to give us what? 8. And another number which, when we multiply it 3 times, it is going to give us what? 27. So let's begin with this 8. So which number can we multiply 3 times and give us 8? Let's try 1 times 1 times 1. Of course, we can see that this is what? This is 1. So if 1 is not the number, then we need to try another number. Let's try 2. 2 times 2 times 2. What is the answer? The answer is what? The answer is 8. So in this case, the number which we are looking for this one is what? Is 2. Sorry, not 8, but 2. Is 2. Because 2 is the number which we can multiply 3 times to give us what? To give us 8. Then we are going to find another number which we can multiply 3 times to give us what? 27. Okay, so let's try. Since 1 times 1 times 1 is giving us 1, 2 times 2 times 2, as you can see, is giving us what? 8. Let's try another one. Let's try 3. 3 times 3 times 3. What is the answer? 3 times 3, this is 9. Not so. 9 times 3, this is what? 27. So the number which we are looking for is what? Is 3. Then remember to actually raise these numbers to this power, which is in this case power 2. Hope you are getting it. So now, since we have done this, all we need to do is now just to solve this part. And as you can see, if these numbers are in brackets, then they are raised to the power, to a certain power. It means this power belongs to this one, which is of course 2, and this same power belongs to this 3. So this is just the same as writing 2 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power what? Raised to the power 2. It's just the same as writing it outside. So this is 2 to the power 2, this is 3 to the power 2. So what is, okay, so this is the expression. Let me just write it here, over 3 to the power 2. So what is 2 to the power 2? 2 to the power 2, the answer is what? The answer is 4. What is 3 to the power 2? Please do not do these are some of the common mistakes which most of the people actually do. So this is not 3 times 2, but if you just see 3 to the raised to a certain power, it means you are going to multiply this 3 times the number of the power. That simply means that you are going to say 3 times 3 because we've got 2. That's why we say, when we talk of the laws of indices, any number to the power 1 is what? Is the number itself, because this simply means that we are going to multiply 3 once. But if we got 2, we are going to multiply 3 twice. But let's say, for example, we had 3 on top there. Then we would have multiplied this 3 3 times. And this is going to give us 27. But in this case, we've been told to multiply this 3 2 times, I mean, because this is the power we are having. So 3 times 3, what is the answer? 3 times 3, the answer is what? The answer is 9. And this was the solution for this question. Hope you have gotten it, and hope you've understood all the concepts which I've explained. Okay, let's deal with the second question, which is in this case the fourth question. We've been told to actually